অধ্যায় আজকে শুরু করছি ক্লাস 11 এর রিলেশন চ্যাপ্টার। এই রিলেশন চ্যাপ্টারটা শুরু করার আগে আমাদের সেট সম্পর্কে নলেজ থাকা উচিত। আর সেটের বিভিন্ন প্রপার্টিসগুলি আমাদের জানতে হবে। হোয়াট ইজ সেট? A set is a collection of distinct, distinguishable and well-defined objects which are independent of order. This is the definition of set. এবার রিলেশন চ্যাপ্টারে আমাদের তো সেটের নলেজটা আছে আমাদের। এবার সেটে আমরা রিলেশন যখন করব তখন আমাদের একটা লেট আস কনসিডার এ সেট সাপোজ এ which is containing 5 elements. Let us consider now what is relation? Relation, এই রিলেশন চ্যাপ্টারটা শুরু করতে যখন যাব তখন আমাদের একটা জিনিস আমাদের ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, সেটা হলো কার্টেসিয়ান প্রোডাক্ট অফ সেট। কি বলা হবে? কার্টেসিয়ান প্রোডাক্ট। তোমরা জানো কার্টেসিয়ান প্রোডাক্ট অফ সেট, এই ব্যাপারটা ভীষণভাবে ইম্পর্টেন্ট এখানে। এবং রিলেশনটা কি বলছে? রিলেশন হলো the subset of all Cartesian product. Let us consider the relation R, which is the subset of all Cartesian product. What is Cartesian product? Let us consider a set A, which is 1 and 2, and set B, which is X and Y. Now A cross B, which is 1 comma X, 1 comma Y, 2 comma X, 2 comma Y, which are the Cartesian product. And it is very very important that A cross B not equals to B cross A. Why? B cross A equals to X comma 1, X comma 2, Y comma 1 and Y comma 2. These are B cross A here. So A cross B is not equals to B cross A, which is clear. Now Cartesian products of sets এটা জানা হয়ে গেল। এই রিলেশন পরে আসছে যে ফাংশন। এখন আমাদের রিলেশনটা কিভাবে নেব এবং কিভাবে ডিফাইন করব সেটা একটু দেখো। Let us consider R equals to A comma B such that where B equals to A plus 2, where B equals to A plus 2. Now A related to B defined by A related to B, তার মানে A এর সাথে how A related to B, that is B is 2 more of A. B is 2 more of A. তাহলে কারা কারা হবে বলো? Here R is so R. This is called there are two forming of set. Number one roster form and one is set builder form, and this is our set building form, and we write R as roster form, which is, let us consider A, let us consider 1 and B 1 plus 2, that is 3, which is existing in set A. Now let us 2 plus 2 4, which is existing in set A. Now 3 and 3 plus 2 equals to 5, which is existing in set A. So this is the R where A related to B. where 1 related to 3, 2 related to 4, and 3 related to 5. These are relation. These are relation. And the definition of relation is the all subsets of A cross B. The all subsets of the R is the which is relation. R is called the relation. R is called the relation which is R is called the relation which is subset of A cross B. Now we have to know what is domain and what is range. And another form, range, is also called codomain. Let us, here R is containing 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5. So dom of R, domain is in abbreviated form, that is dom. Dom of R, that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and range of R, which is written as 3, 4, 5. Also, we may write range, also called codomain. Range, also called codomain. And here R inverse. Here R inverse is, it is altered of 3, 1, 4, 2, and 5, 3, which is R inverse, and it will be changed. Dom of R inverse also be changed. Now dom of R inverse equals to 3, 4, 5, and range of R inverse equals to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here it is connected by dom of R equals to dom of R inverse, range of R inverse. So we may write dom of R, which is equals to range of R inverse and range of R equals to dom of R inverse. Clear? Now, three properties. A relation has three properties, and three definition also we call. There are three types of relations. Number 1, reflexive. Number 2, symmetric. Number 2, symmetric. Number 3, transitive. What is reflexive? When a relation just like this form, A, B, P, and C, C. It is called reflexive relation. It is called reflexive relation. And symmetric A comma B, B comma A, C comma A comma C, just like that. And transitive, let us consider A comma B and B comma C. Here if we cancel B and B, then we may write A comma C, which is called transitive. In another way, A related to A, which is just like a mirror, it is must be same, just like mirror. In symmetric, A related to B implies that B related to A. In transitive case, A related to B, B related to C, which is conjugately implies that B cancel out. Now A related to C. If three relations are hold, then the relation is called equivalence relation. 1, 2, 3. These three are called equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. If any one of three is fail, then it is not equivalence relation. 1, 2, 3 are directly, we may say this is the equivalence relation. Now there are so many problems in your NCERT books. Now we propagate a problem that is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Three relations are it shows that three relations are shows equivalence relation. Now